Alright, starting in 2, 1, go. Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to activate developer mode on your Pixel phone. This should work for a lot of the Android phones, but I can't promise it'll work for all of them. So the first thing you have to do is pull down the top menu all the way until you can hit this little cogwheel to open up your Android phone settings, and you'll be able to see all of them here, and you want to go down till you see the About Phone section. Go ahead and tap on that, and then go all the way down to the bottom until you see the build number, and then just spam the pants off of that until it says, "Congratulations, you've activated developer mode." And then that will give you access to the developer menu, which you can then activate additional features that are used by app developers to test and to configure different things on your phone, or you could use it to jailbreak. It's completely up to you. I don't know what you're doing it for, but this is how you do it. To then find the developer menu, you want to go into System, and then inside of here, you'll find the developer options down here near the bottom. Go ahead and click on that, and then you can tweak all sorts of developer settings inside of here, including reducing the time spent on screen animations, which will make your phone feel like it's a little bit snappier and a little faster, so it kind of gives a little bit new life to older phones. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how to enable the developer options or the developer mode on your Pixel Android phone. And until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.